So this is how they categorize the meat. A lot of people like different types of cuts, and I think typically in the States a lot of people like the brisket or chador beef ribs. My personal favorite. But also they eat raw beef. It's pretty interesting. This is how they grade the meat, 1++, meaning it's kind of equivalent to, I guess, A5 in Wagyu terms. But as you can tell, the marbling is insane. Wow. Yep, so if you ever come down here, storefronts will come ask you if you want to eat. The way it works is you buy it, buy the packaged meat, and you go upstairs to the restaurant where you pay a flat rate. I think they charge you more or less like $10, not even, like $8. They give you all the condiments and all the veggies to eat with your barbecue, as well as the barbecue grill. So if you come down here, this is where it starts. It's about half an hour from the city center. Easy to get to and very interesting.